Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping in, checking out my videos. Hope you like what you're seeing. Today I'm going to be doing something on the camper that I did last week and it didn't turn out right like I wanted. I took and making me a tube to put my Stinky Slinky in, and used a 4-inch piece of PVC, cut it down, put caps on it, mounted it underneath the camper. As you can see right there, well, it didn't work. 4-inch piece of pipe. I thought it was a 6, but it's a 4, and it's too small. So what I've done, I've watched some other videos and probably seen it before. I went out and got me a piece of 5x5 fence post, 8 foot long. I'm gonna cut it down to 7 just to make sure it fits underneath the camper. And I bought some caps. I'm going to cap one end and put rivets in it to hold the end on, and then the other one I am actually thinking about cutting like the one side out of it, or the bottom of it, and then like riveting it on, and I don't know, making it some ways where I can fold it down. So hang with me, we'll see how this here turns out. Alright, so what I've done, I've marked this about 1 foot, and what I'm going to do is take my cutter and I'm going to cut this end off of it just to make it a little bit shorter. Smooth it up. All right, got that done. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill holes around, and I'm gonna put rivets in it. Grandson out here. I'm gonna put rivets in it to hold one end cap completely on. Hey, watch out. He's good, he's good. Bella's right there. Whoop, stay right there, Bella. That'll keep the cap from coming off. All right. All right, and that's got those 4 in. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the other cap on, I'm gonna paint it, and we'll go from there. All right, well, I've got it all painted, got my end caps done, and what I've done on the other end, I've taken a cap, cut the bottom piece off of it, pop riveted it here. That way when I open it, it'll open right underneath it. Slide my tube in, I'll be ready to go. Now, just gotta get it mounted underneath the camper. I believe that'll be tight enough, it won't come open. If it does, I've got a small bungee that I'll run through it and then hook on the outside. Drill me a little hole hook in here or something like that. Alright, well, let's get it mounted under. Alright, I've got my caps on. Got some vent holes drilled down the bottom of it. Got my strapping put on. I actually put and riveted the straps inside of it. That way it would hold it. That way I can pull it tight. And let me turn this thing over. Alright, and I got the door on it, and what I done, I put rivets right here in the end of it. It makes it tight, and they'll fold down. That way I don't have to put nothing to secure it from the inside. You know, no strap or anything like that. It looks tight enough, it should be hard to get out. So alright, next thing we just got to do is get it put it underneath the camper and get it bolted on. Don't know if I'm gonna get to do it tonight. We've got to make a run to town, so if not, we'll finish this back up tomorrow. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this up. We'll see how it goes. It may be too dark for you to see anything, but we're gonna try it. Alright, I went back and got my ratchet because I actually got some of the holes drilled. So what I'll do is just take my ratchet. Then I will go to the other side and go ahead and put one of the screws in over there. Alright, I'm on the other side, so let's go ahead and get my screws here and put my wooden blocks up like I had made for the last one. I got that one in. Drop my block. One of them. Alright. Go get my drill and come back over here. Okay, I've got it marked. Now I've got to drill a hole. Okay, well, I got this side up. Now we'll go do the other side and be done with it. All right, now we're starting on the other side. All right, well, I got all of them mounted up here. That should get it. As you can see, I got it there. Got it mounted on the other side. Oops, sorry about that. Got it mounted on the other side. Let's see how this here. Yeah, see that? Opens up all the way across. Now we just got to put the hoses in there. There you go. Now we'll just make sure that the tubes fit. I don't know if I'm hoping both of them will fit. That's where I washed them out. Never fit back together. I had to do it with just the Hook it in the strap. Let it hold the door shut. Won't go nowhere. Well, that completes the install on that. I never claimed to be professional at anything, and so we'll see how it works. But I did figure out that I'm going to have to put another one in to hold both. I've got two 10-foot Rhino sewer lines, and I had to really cram them in there to get both of them in there, and I can't get none of my fittings in. So I'm going to put another one in just to make it work, to put both tubes in and be able to put all my connections and stuff in. So, well, I hope you liked it, guys. Maybe it helped out. You know, I know there's a lot of others on here just like this, but just want to put one out there. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom. I can't even hardly talk. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you'll know whenever I put out other videos. And we hope to see you down the road.